Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you the guys the top edge jerseys for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Activated Crash Fix 14. It fixes a crash some users on iOS 14 are experiencing when using Activator. This tweak is called KB App Dock, and you can arrange apps or modules on the dock of the keyboard. This tweak is called Instagram No Ads, free open source tweak for Instagram. So removes ads, news feeds, and stories, can save media, photos, videos, IGTV, stories, reels, press and hold to show download options. Can save HD profile pictures, show like count, determine if user is following you, disable DM, seen in story, seen receipt, support iOS 10 13, and latest Instagram version. Next tweak is called YouTube Reborn. It's YouTube Customizer, so it now has a video download option. Next tweak is called Better Alarm, and a beautiful timer and alarm screen. So it's a complete overhaul of the stock iOS timer and alarm screen that appears on the lock screen. Next tweak is called See Sources 2, and it's a sources manager that allows full control over your sources. You can add as many sources you want, disable, enable them, add notes, check if source is active, package details, import studio lists, backup sources, sync between devices, auto list feature, and more. So, you guys read that. No support for iOS 7 and below. Next is called Substitute version 2.0.7. Substitute for code substitution. The newest update adds a workaround to allow side script to be injected to backboard. Next is called Batch-O-Matic, as an option to repack tweets to debs. So it allows you to back up your tweets, repost, save.debs. Next is called Redeb, repackage any of your tweets locally without the need to download it again from Cydia. So this is useful when there's an update of yours until now perfectly working tweak in Cydia. You want to make it back up the installed version. Normally you want to be able to back up anything because it's possible to fetch only the most current version of the tweak and not, so you will be lost, not anymore. So it's great if you update something, a tweak, and let's say that new update, it's let's say it's breaking stuff, like for example substitute, then you can always downgrade using this tweak. And this tweak is called DL Easy, allows you to download and share images and videos from Photoshop easily. Supports iOS 10 to 14, so pretty amazing because it supports all these apps right here. So if it's not working on a specific app that you see right here that it supports, you gotta downgrade the app and then keep testing it until you downgrade to a version that's working. But at one point it does support all these. It's get updates every now and then, so it should support the latest version or close to the latest version. So if you want to check, you can check to see December 21st. That's when it's updates. That means all these should be. I mean, right now it's January 20th, so it's like a month later basically, and so that means it should be close to the same version, if not the exact version, like the newest version of the apps. Just downgrade to like a version or two, or downgrade a version that was on around this date, and it should work for those social media apps. Next is called HomeKit Remote Hub Enable, and supports iOS 10 to 12.4, so you can set your iPhone as a HomeKit remote hub and control HomeKit remotely without the need of an Apple TV, Gen 4, and iPad with iOS 10 or HomePod. This is called Linux 2, Ultimate Device iDevice Conversation for iOS 14 and up. And this is called Last Drops 10, so it's simply to prevent your iPhone from shutting down rebooted to an undesirable moment, especially convenient while using a phone in the cold weather. So this could be really dangerous. Keep that in mind because your phone shuts down because it's a certain temperature, but you can still keep it on. So I would not recommend. I recommend more you shut your device down if it needs to, because it needs to. If it pops up, then it could damage your device if you keep it on when it needs to shut down. This is called Sliff, and customize and shrink your lock screen music player. This is called Instagram Plus, and what's that tweak for Instagram? So it's like basically an Instagram Plus alternative. So you have all these features right here. The next tweak is called Play Music on Record, and any tweak that allows you to record a video and play music all together on system-wide. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.